coffee is not a hassle. Great coffee is totally accessible. I mean, really, all you need is great equipment, a little bit of know-how, and beans that you really enjoy. If you have all that, you can, any day, anytime, have delicious coffee at home. Now, it's one thing to have great quality coffee beans, and it's a whole nother to have those same qualities translate into the cup. The best coffees, they are sweet, complex, and aromatic. And to have that shine through in a cup of coffee, you need to have a coffee brewer that's top-notch, one that will extract the coffee properly and efficiently. Now, there's a lot that goes into a coffee recipe, and the big ones are the amount of water that you use, the amount of coffee, and the grind. But there's also the water temperature and the overall brew time. Now, these are things that, generally speaking, the coffee brewer is going to take care of, but some do it better than others. Now, the Specialty Coffee Association of America, or the SCAA, stringently tests and certifies brewers that meet its strict standards. The OXO On 9-cup coffee maker is one of those brewers. Basically, the brewer does most of the hard work, and you just push a button. With the one-dial backlit LED interface, you can toggle between two different modes, 2 to 4 cups or 5 to 9. 2 to 4 cups is a great amount for a single serving, since each cup is about 4.5 ounces of brewed coffee. And the 5 to 9 cup mode is perfect for sharing. In each case, the machine will automatically adjust the brew time. The microprocessor also controls the water temperature with precision, getting the water to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is well in line with SCAA standards. The internal pump brings the water up and across, with an initial bloom and then a set series of pulses afterwards. The water comes down through the Rainmaker shower head, evenly dispersing across the coffee bed. If you remove the carafe before the brew cycle finishes, all is not lost. The machine will automatically pause the cycle for 60 seconds, allowing you to replace the carafe and let the brew finish. The pour-through lid and the stainless steel carafe, which is double-walled and insulated, make it so that the brew retains temperature over time. Inside, there's a mixing tube, which means that when the brew's done, you're not going to have the weak coffee on top and the strong coffee on the bottom, but everything's going to be incorporated together. The coffee's going to be best if you drink it within an hour of its brewing, and a freshness timer counts up so you can keep track of that. There's also a programmable wake-up timer, so the machine will brew coffee at whatever time you'd like. The OXO On 9-cup coffee maker is particularly exceptional in its ease of use and simplicity of design.